Ladies and gentlemen, this is our drive from Arizona, from Phoenix to Las Vegas, and it is absolutely snowing like crazy everywhere.
He said okay.
It's been quite a few years since I left Massachusetts, since I've had to drive in snow of this amount. This is crazy.
Like, what is happening? This isn't getting any better. So, like, everyone needs to start moving or
Start setting camp.
pick a hotel room. The day pools in Vegas open in 2 days. The Vegas Instagrams are like, and it snowed again, but pool season starts in 2 days, so there's that.